Hi everyone, welcome back. This time I'm going to show you how to use canva.com. This is a website where you can design many graphic, it can be art, it can be cards, it can be many things. So if you look at the template here, you can even design things for your social media like Instagram story or presentation, just like what I did when I'm giving you presentation about my family. So I also use Canva, and this time I want to invite you to use Canva to create design on your congratulating card. So in here, first of course you have to log in to Canva. You can use your Google account, you can also use Facebook and many other things. And yeah, I'm already signing in here. So all you have to do is go to template and choose card. So in here it will take you to this page where they have many different cards and you can choose one of them. For example, here I will choose something like this one, holiday cards. There are many of them. So all you have to do is choose one by clicking on it. Let me see. Okay, I will go with this one. I think this is Christmas card. And yeah, I will go with use this template, and it will go to a new tab over here, and it's already section into several things that you can just change. So later I will tell you about the elements of a greeting card in a different video, and all you have to do is apply them here. Okay, of course, because we are free, it means that we cannot use the one without watermarks, but yeah, it's okay. Who knows, maybe if you plan to use this application a lot, you can just buy the paid version or something. And then if you find that your design is not really that good, you want to change, they also provide more here, so you can just pick one like this one maybe, or another one. And yeah, all you have to do is click on the section you want to edit, maybe like this, even like this flower print, you can just like give up something else, and you can put elements over here from stickers, shape, grids, text, styles, color. Yeah, there are many things that you can do. Like this one are the pictures I uploaded back then to create some of the projects that I've done in Canva. So I'm not using Canva just like once, but I've done it like several times. Okay, so that's the basic of Canva, and about the content, it will be in another video. So okay, see you later in class, and I hope you can enjoy using Canva. Bye bye guys.